In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix PlayStation 5 Fortnite lag. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are experiencing bad lag while playing Fortnite, maybe your ping seems to be low at one point and then it just spikes and gets uncontrollable. This could be due to various network settings. First, I would recommend that you back out of the game and go over to the settings on your PlayStation 5. Inside of the settings of your PlayStation 5, access the network category and you should be able to find the current network that you are using. This can be either Wi-Fi or connection through an Ethernet cable. You can go ahead and test the internet connection just to make sure that everything is stable, or just switch over to the settings and then choose the option to set up internet connection. In there, you will be able to find all of the registered networks in your area, and what you have to do is select the options for the current network that you are using. Now, when you select the settings, you will find this option, Wi-Fi frequency bands. When you select that option, you will be able to choose between automatic 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. The first thing that I have to say is that ideally, you shouldn't connect over Wi-Fi. You've probably heard this 1,000 times, but it is much better to use an Ethernet cable. So if you can afford to connect to your network using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi, this is going to be the best option available by far. I know a lot of people have their routers on other rooms, and because of this, it's not convenient to drag an Ethernet cable all the way through your house, but unfortunately, this is going to be the best option possible. If this is not available for you, like I said, then you have two options. If you don't want to mess with this, just leave it on automatic, or you can choose between 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. 5 GHz is going to be faster if you can stay really close to your router. If you are far away from your router, maybe there are a lot of walls dividing your PlayStation 5 and your router, then you can consider using 2.4 instead. It is going to be slower, but more stable, even if you are far away. With all of this out of the way, you can go back and test your connection. One last option that you have is to go over to the advanced settings of this network, and on the DNS settings, switch it over to manual and then input this as the primary and secondary DNS. So for the primary DNS, 1.1.1.1, and for the secondary DNS, 1.0.0.1. Test the connection again and see if this helps. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix PlayStation 5 Fortnite lag. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.